Top 20 Genetics MCQs for UGC Net Anthropology Inheritance and Dermatoglyphics. Unit-wise MCQ Series. Welcome to Anthronet Academy. A study aligned with UGC Net Anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anthronet Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 1,000 subscribers. Anthronet Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 1,000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis, expert insights on recent developments, daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 1K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Anthronet Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. Question 1. Which of the following assumptions is most critically challenged by the clinal model of human variation? A. Human populations show genetic diversity. B. Traits vary gradually across geography. C. Racial traits form discrete, non-overlapping units. D. Environment influences phenotypic traits. Answer: C. Explanation. The clinal model, championed by Garn, directly refutes the idea of sharply bounded racial units, emphasizing gradual, continuous variation instead. Question 2. Dankmejer's racial classification differs from that of Blumenbach primarily because Dankmejer A. Used genetic markers. B. Proposed fewer races. C. Emphasized somatic traits without geographic coherence. D. Rejected race as a concept. Answer: C. Explanation. Dankmejer identified numerous races based mainly on physical traits, often ignoring geographic continuity, unlike Blumenbach's broader continental races. Question 3. Which classification system is most consistent with the populational model of human variation? A. Blumenbach's 5 races. B. Houghton's composite racial types. C. Kuhn's evolutionary races. D. Garn and Birdsell's polygenic clines. Answer: D. Explanation. Garn and Birdsell emphasize gene frequencies, polygenic traits, and population-level variation core principles of the populational model. Question 4. Kuhn's racial classification was controversial mainly because it A. Relied only on cranial indices. B. Denied the unity of Homo sapiens. C. Proposed independent evolutionary trajectories for races. D. Ignored environmental adaptation. Answer: C. Explanation. In The Origin of Races, 1962, Kuhn suggested separate evolutionary paths for major races, conflicting with the modern evolutionary synthesis. Question 5. Which scholar's approach represents a transition from typological thinking to population-based interpretation of human variation? A. Blumenbach. B. Dankmejer. C. Houghton. D. Garn. Answer: C. Explanation. Hooton retained racial typology, but introduced population thinking and statistical variation, making his work transitional rather than purely typological. Question 6. In autosomal dominant inheritance, which feature is most characteristic? A. Skipping of generations. B. Equal expression in males and females. C. Expression only in homozygous condition. D. Carrier state without expression. Answer: B. Explanation. Autosomal dominant traits appear in heterozygotes and affect both sexes equally, usually without skipping generations. Question 7. Which of the following is an example of autosomal recessive inheritance? A. Huntington's chorea. B. Achondroplasia. C. Albinism. D. Polydactyly. Answer: C. Explanation. Albinism manifests only in homozygous recessive individuals. Question 8. Codominance is best illustrated by A. ABO blood group AB. B. O blood group. C. Bombay phenotype. D. Rh incompatibility. Answer: A. Explanation. In AB blood group, both IA and IB alleles are fully expressed. Question 9. Red, green colorblindness is inherited as A. Autosomal recessive. B. Autosomal dominant. C. X-linked recessive. D. Y-linked. Answer: C. Explanation. The gene is located on the X chromosome and expresses mainly in males. Question 10. A trait that is autosomal but shows different expression in males and females is called A. Sex-linked. B. Sex-limited. C. Sex-influenced. D. Polygenic. Answer: C. Explanation. Sex-influenced traits, e.g., male pattern baldness, are autosomal, but expression depends on sex hormones. Question 11. Beard growth in humans is an example of A. Sex-linked trait. B. Sex-limited trait. C. Sex-influenced trait. D. Multifactorial trait. Answer: B. Explanation. Sex-limited traits are autosomal, but expressed in only one sex. Question 12. Suppressor genes function by A. Enhancing gene expression. B. Replacing defective genes. C. Masking the effect of another gene. D. Increasing mutation rate. Answer: C. Explanation. Suppressor genes inhibit or suppress the phenotypic expression of other genes. Question 13. The concept of the selfish gene was popularized by A. Mendel. B. Darwin. C. Richard Dawkins. D. Watson. Answer: C. Explanation. Dawkins proposed that genes act to maximize their own replication. Question 14. Multiple allelic inheritance is characterized by A. Two alleles at a locus. B. More than two alleles in a population. C. Polygenic control. D. Environmental influence. Answer: B. Explanation. ABO blood groups involve three alleles, IA, IB, I, in the population. Question 15. Stature in humans is best explained as A. Monogenic inheritance. B. Sex-linked inheritance. C. Polygenic inheritance. D. Codominance. Answer C. Explanation: stature is controlled by many genes with additive effects. Question 16. Skin color inheritance in humans is considered: A. Autosomal dominant. B. Sex-influenced. C. Multifactorial. D. Y-linked. Answer C. Explanation: skin color is influenced by multiple genes and environmental factors like UV exposure. Question 17. Which finger pattern is most common in human populations? A. Whorl. B. Loop. C. Arch. D. Composite. Answer B. Explanation: loops constitute the majority of fingerprint patterns globally. Question 18. Dankmeijer's index is calculated using: A. Whorls and loops. B. Arches and whorls. C. Arches and loops. D. Total ridge count. Answer C. Explanation: Dankmeijer's index equals arches/loops times 100. Question 19. Pattern intensity index, PI, is based on: A. Number of ridges. B. Number of triradii. C. ATD angle. D. Palmar creases. Answer B. Explanation: PI reflects the average number of triradii per finger pattern. Question 20. A larger ATD angle in the palm generally indicates: A. Reduced transversality. B. Distal displacement of axial triradius. C. Proximal displacement of axial triradius. D. Absence of main lines. Answer B. Explanation: when the axial triradius shifts distally, the ATD angle increases. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.